Hello and welcome to Women in Charge, the radio program where women's voices take the lead and their stories take center stage. This is your host, Hannah Zafra, and I will be guiding you through the next few minutes of inspiration, empowerment, and meaningful conversations. For this episode, we are diving into the power of women in diverse spaces, and you guys are definitely in for a treat since our guest is a woman who wears many hats. She's a consultant researcher at the House of Representatives. At the same time, sumasilent din itong ating guest as a public relations specialist for a different organization. So she really is a living proof that women can wear many hats and wear them well. And also, share ko lang na she is someone who is very close to me because malawak na talaga yung pinagsamahan namin. We go way back from our college days and hanggang ngayon, going strong pa rin naman yung friendship namin despite the distance and our different works. So, expect that our conversation today will be really fun lang and really up close. And let us give it a for Miss Ferville Grace Tripoli. Mayong adlaw, Miss Ferbs. Bumati ka naman sa ating mga listeners.
Hello po, magandang araw po, Miss Hannah, at sa ating mga listeners for today.
Ayan, good day sa'yo dyan, Miss Ferbs. I would just like to say, no, na part of the reason why I invited Miss Ferbs to guest here in my show is because she definitely embodies the term empowered woman. Right now, no, she is very independent. She's been living sa Manila for like a few months now, which is malayo sa family, mga malayo sa city niya. And she has always been independent naman since nung college pa kami. But right now, she is taking up space and carving a name for herself. So I'm very proud of her in that aspect. So, Miss Ferbs, ready ka na ba sa ating chikahan for today's episode?
Yes, Miss Hannah, take it away.
Okay, so first question natin, how's life so far?
So far, it has been recent since I moved from my hometown. It's already August, about 5 months already
Wow,
since
5 months na pala.
since I moved in Manila and relocated for my job
So naka
in House of Representatives po.
so naka-adjust ka na ba sa Manila life? Kasi from Jensen ka, tapos nag-move ka sa Manila.
It's been hard, from a province girl to a big city girl. It's been a transition for me. But at least 5 months naman, so I think I've adjusted already in the pollution and the traffic,
Yeah. Yung mga
Yeah.
yung mga wala sa province, andyan talaga lahat.
Oo, yes. Nasimot mo talaga lahat dito.
Okay. That's good to know, no, na you have adjusted. So, I have mentioned, no, na your full-time job talaga is you are working as a consultant researcher for a public figure. Tapos, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Pagka weekends or after ng time out mo, yung part-time mo naman is yung pagiging public relations specialist for another organization or brand. Tama ba?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Agree.
So, what inspired you to pursue these careers at the same time?
Honestly, it's money, charot. Pero,
Money ba?
'di ba? Sino ba namang
Oo.
hindi, 'di ba?
Kasi
Sa
ang,
buhay ba na ngayon, in this economy, my God.
yeah, in this
Yeah,
economy.
it's really hard. But anyways,
Mm-mm.
actually, it was a blessing in disguise. I've never planned to pursue both at the same time because previously when I resigned to my last job, I was looking for another job and nauna yung part-time ko while I was waiting
Mm.
for a full-time job actually. But then God moves in mysterious ways.
Wow.
Binigyan ako ng opportunity to work in our district. So,
Mm.
like at the same week when I got accepted from my part-time job. So, parang nagsabay lang sila na accept din ako in a job sa district. So, yun, pinagsabay ko siya together kasi I think I'm capable naman
Kaya
to
naman.
work on both. Yeah.
Mm.
Oo.
So,
Since
hindi ka
ang the
ba,
other work like naman kasi is mostly virtually and walang office, so I can work anywhere or I can work during my vacant hours pag walang
mm.
ginagawa sa office, ganon. So, yeah, I manage naman so far.
So, nung first week na pinagsabay mo yung pag-accept nung dalawang job, hindi ka ba na-overwhelm? Mga ganon.
Actually, it was, syempre, if you're new to certain things, there's always parang you weigh things din naman on what works best,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? So, and you learn as you go,
Mm-mm.
parang ganon. So I adjusted din naman, I identified kung ano yung dapat na i-work on,
Mm-mm.
like sa actually in my job sa district di naman masyadong heavy kasi I was initially a social media manager
Mm.
for our district, so it was not that parang task hindi masyadong heavy unless you are tasked to post something ganyan ganyan, create captions ganon ganon.
But you were
So it was
promoted. Mm-mm.
so it was more like parang chill, I'd say chill. So I managed to do both. Pero nung time na yun, part-time pa kasi yung ano, yung pagiging, yung isang job ko sa isang
Ah,
social enterprise. So it was a
okay.
part-time. So it's 4 hours a day. So when
Uh-uh.
I transitioned to Manila, when I was transferred to Manila around August, at the same time, inofferan din ako ng full-time
Ah,
job.
okay. So, dalawa pala
So
talaga yung full-time job mo ngayon.
yeah, so I'm a two
Okay.
full-time job girly. So
Wow.
right now, I was promoted, wow. Promoted to being a PR specialist in the
Mm.
other job. Yeah, in the social enterprise called Work Beyond Borders. So ayun, that was really hard for me, I think, because you know, 8 hours a day,
Mm-mm.
you comply on both jobs. Actually, yung isang job kasi ano pa, more than 8 hours a day
Ah.
unless,
Yung sa
as
pagiging
a government
consultant.
girly, I think you
Mm-mm.
understand
Yes,
that it's
yes.
our job to not just do the job 8 to 5, it still extend beyond hours. So,
Yeah, so
yeah,
it's good no na you are really widening your horizon kasi bilib ako
literally.
sa sa time management skills mo, girl.
Ay,
Like,
alam niyo lang guys,
oo.
parang 4 hours in a sleep. Natatabunan lang ng concealer, kaya pa naman.
Yes, yes. So, you have been working for like more than a year now. Kasi before pa nung two jobs mo,
Yeah.
may work ka na. And
Yeah.
I am well aware of the fact na yung sinerservan mo na public figure ngayon as a consultant or researcher is a male. So you are practically working in a traditionally male-dominated field noon. So we are slowly changing that. So now, what obstacles have you faced ba as a woman in these fields, and how did you overcome them?
Mm, actually, honestly, it's not that evident naman na parang the workplace is already a male dominated like
Mm-mm.
field, because as the present time naman marami naman ding female, you know, female parang nag-integrate na yung female
Yeah.
leaders at the same
Mm-mm.
time. So it's not that evident na male dominated na siya na field. There are empowered females at the same time na. So parang nagiging ano ba, like role model. Somehow I can see like
Okay.
congresswomen who have stepped up on their jobs, like they do more compared to the other. I'm not saying na mas magaling sila compared to male. There are
Okay. Okay.
certain like parang parang they have the platform itself na kasi is parang open na to other, to females like ganun, to
Mm-mm.
women. So I think it my parang my obstacles at my workplace doesn't parang directly involved with the parang the uh,
Okay.
gender roles at
Mm-mm.
the workplace. More on siguro can I say parang pag hindi siya related
Okay, sige, go ahead.
Like gender. I think for me, yung parang obstacle lang is I look young.
Okay. Kasi young ka pa
Oo.
rin naman
Kasi
talaga.
young naman talaga tayo.
Oo.
Oo. It's mostly in my workplace right now, marami na kasing parang nangugat na.
Okay.
Nangugat na,
Mm.
nagtatandaan na doon.
Uh,
So, madami ng parang their age is quite old already compared to the like newer generation na pumapasok. Like very very limited you see people na parang younger generation doon. More siguro mga very very rare lang yung mga mas bata. So for me parang kasi sa office namin ako pinakabata eh. Tapos yung mga office mates ko pwede
Oo.
ko na maging nanay at tatay yung mga
Okay.
edad mga
Mm-mm.
50 years old, gano'n. So, parang they treat me as I don't think na parang child talaga, but they treat me as someone na parang, young, young, gano'n. Na
Parang ano, mas
parang, there's times na parang, hindi naman sila exploit extreme masyado yun. But
ah,
sometimes yung parang, kanang, what do you call this? Kasi as a young person in the office, parang ikaw yung palaging inuutusan, kayang
mm,
gano'n. So, even though you're working on something, you have to halt it muna kasi you're given a task like this, like this, like this, and that. So ganun, parang yun yung obstacle. At the same time, parang hindi ka somewhat trusted siguro. Like,
parang oo.
oo,
Gets,
parang
gets.
bata pa nito, walang experience, ganyan, ganyan. So, baka hindi pa to masyadong maalam sa mga task, ganyan, ganyan. So, yeah, there's cons like that. There's
Pa,
obstacles like that. But not always naman.
mm,
I think not always. Pero there
parang
are certain
ano,
times na feel mo talagang gano'n na parang may insecure ka because
mm.
you lack experience, gano'n. You lack knowledge on on the place, on the work itself, gano'n. So
So ano
yeah,
no, parang mas nagiging less yung credibility natin kasi tayo yung bagong
true.
salta. Sila
Yeah, true.
ano na
Sila mga
lang.
batak na sa industry, yeah.
Oo. But I think no na we'll be getting at their point naman and we'll have more experiences pa in the long run. Pero sana hindi naman natin turn na i-exploit din yung kabataan na generation when our time comes, no?
Nagre-revenge, gano'n. Hindi
Yeah, yeah.
naman.
Wag naman sana. But seeing na you are now exposed sa politics, sa mga public figures, um may do you see yourself na mag-join sa field ng politics if ever?
Actually, it's been interesting, no, to observe close in what legislators do in the workplace. It's been fun for me. The
Mm-mm.
5 months have been fun actually. You learn a lot, you see a lot, and you know. But for me, I think napakahirap ng job.
Yes.
I don't think I can venture on that field. More on kasi parang ang personality ko more on the back. Parang ganun.
Yeah, yeah.
Supporting someone for forerunners ganun. So I think I appreciate work more pag you support ganun. So I don't think I will maybe in the
Yeah, yeah.
still in the politics but not
But for
the
now,
forerunner like yeah, like the
mm-mm.
political figure ganun. Napakahirap
Yeah, ang gulo 'di ba?
Kasi
Kahit
kailangan mo
na
ng pera niyan, real talk.
yeah,
So, wala akong
yeah.
pera eh. So,
So, since yung title ng show natin is Women in Charge, what does being a woman in charge mean para sa'yo?
I think being a woman in charge represents a powerful shift, no, towards greater gender equality. As I've said earlier, the male-dominated political arena has been infiltrated na with strong women, who take leadership roles and parang make decisions that contribute to shape our country, ganon.
Mm.
So for me, parang it signifies the ability to influence change at the same time lead with empathy, na which I believe lacking
Yeah, yeah.
from men. Yeah, because we're empathic, women as we are, And somehow it inspire others as well, Parang it's inspiring to see women who stand up for themselves, ganon. So I think generally it's about breaking the barriers and
Yes, brilliant. It is.
creating yun.
Mm. So it is good no no we are progressing in this field because we see women taking the lead, and I especially like your point in leading with empathy kasi yan talaga ata yung kulang sa atin. Ikaw ba, sino ba yung sa mga nakikita mo diyan sa work mo, sino ba yung woman leaders na nakaka-inspire sa'yo?
So there's many naman promising female leaders like
Mm-mm.
si Kong Arena, si Arlene Brosa, si Franz Castro. They're very, very um bright-minded women in the
Bright-minded. Kasi
yeah.
magtatanong pa lang sana ako kung ano yung mga qualities na nakita mo sa kanila. Bakit ka inspired sa kanila?
Mm. Firstly, very brave,
Mm.
very brave to stand for what is right.
Yeah, yeah.
Very knowledgeable, parang they know what they do,
Yeah.
ganun. They really really stand up for what is right. As a UP students, we are taught
Mm-mm.
na pag namulat ka, hindi ka na muling pipikit as you've seen the
Yes,
truth
yes.
already. So I think this very brave women stands for what is right. Somehow parang very inspiring, to see them take that into action on the workplace, like really really make an action,
Yeah, yeah.
ganon.
We aim to be the
So yeah.
woman that they are, no? Very brave and may
Yeah,
paninindigan to take a stand.
correct.
Yeah, so
Yes.
how do you think can society support us women to take charge in decision-making spaces? Kasi nga, di ba, traditionally, sinasabi ng mga older generations na, ay, dapat yung mga babae nasa kusina lang, mga babae nasa bahay lang, naghihintay sa mga asawa nila, ganon-ganon. So, we are changing that. But, how do you think can we get the support of society as we take charge?
I think society can support by parang more, not creating more equal opportunities, because marami naman nagbabago
Mm-mm.
ng kasi ang sistema. There's
Yes, yes.
equal opportunities already. I think more on
Mhm, okay.
acknowledging like women's achievements, gano, not
Mhm.
invalidating their opinions or their stand for leadership roles, for example, ganon. I think giving way to acknowledge that parang would allow women to thrive further, to be
Yes,
inspired
tama, tama.
further, ganon, in whatever positions they are in life. So ganon, if the society itself would really acknowledge the promising achievements of women, in empowered women to take charge in society, I think it's a good, parang good starting point already to improve more on how society can support women,
Yeah, yeah,
I
that's
think.
that's a very good no answer, no. I especially like when you said na wag i-invalidate yung mga achievements ng babae kasi yan
Yeah.
talaga we need to be acknowledged para mas maka-achieve pa tayo ng mas marami.
Yeah, it's a bit sad na parang
Mm-mm.
we still claim for that acknowledgement at this
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
We still need that validation para i-accept, ganun. So it's a journey. I think we can achieve naman yan in time.
Yeah, but at least now we are working on that. We are slowly changing that.
Agree.
Okay, so I know a lot of people look up to you kasi noon pa lang alam ko marami ka ng fans kasi hindi ko pa pala na mention ito si Miss Firms, dancer to siya dati sa younger days niya. At I think until now you
Grabe ka
still
naman sa
dance.
younger days. Parang
Younger, hindi yung before ka
1 year
naging
ago.
professional. A year
Ah,
ago.
a
Okay,
year
so
ago.
I know a lot of people look up to you. So, what advice do you have for young women aspiring to lead and make a difference in diverse
Hmm.
fields?
Advice. Sure. Nasa point na pala tayo na mag-a-advise na sa, oh my God,
Mm-mm.
we're getting old.
Yeah.
Charis. I think, may advice to like young women or youth in general, maybe. Be confident in your abilities and never parang shy away to take up space. I think factor din na parang you trust yourself, you let yourself parang go with the flow at the same time accept na kasi personally I've never imagined myself to be at this certain point of time in my life na nandito ako sa kung anong meron ako.
Mm-mm.
Maybe at parang always be open to possibilities, be open to things that parang kung sa sayo man pakikita mo yung opportunity na yan na parang skeptical ka ganun. I think you should go for it. Parang ganun na attitude. You go for it, and if nagsisi ka, and then at least you've experienced, there's certain lessons na learn mo on that process. But parang there's no regrets if you actualize that what ifs. So yun, parang it's more on being confident of yourself at saka yung attitude mo to to pursue ganon sa mga bagay-bagay. Yeah,
Pa-
and I
ah,
think yun lang. I
Parang ano
think.
pala, para ka palang si Pia Wurtzbach. Dapat you
Wow.
are confidently beautiful with a heart.
With a heart. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Ganun lang. Ganun lang tayo sa life. Push lang ng
Yeah.
push.
Explore talaga, no? Bata pa kasi
Or
tayo. We have
explore, Yeah, 20s is the age to...
explore.
Actually, sa age natin ngayon, we're just like what? Like 1-year-old adult. Parang ganun.
Yeah,
Just
we are
infant.
4-year-old adults.
4-year-old adults
Mm-mm.
pa. And we're like infant in the real world. So, it's not that, toddler pala. Infant.
Ah,
Toddlers.
toddler
Parang,
pala
it's
tayo.
not bad. It's not
Mm-mm.
bad to make
Yes.
mistakes. It's
Yeah.
not bad to parang to do things not aligned in your plans, ganon.
Mm-mm.
It's still parang it's still a trial and error, and life is always a surprise.
Yeah.
So, ayun lang.
Yeah.
Just be yourself, ganon.
So, makinig kayo, no? Sabi ni Miss Ferbs, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Kasi yun
Yeah.
yung teacher natin. Pagdating ng panahon.
Experience is the best teacher. So,
Yes, correct. And that's a wrap for today's episode. Daghang salamat, Miss Ferbs, for really sharing us your time and insights.
thank you then, Miss Hannah, for
Mm-mm.
inviting me to be your one-on-one for today.
Yeah. So let us take it off from Miss Ferbs herself. Every woman has the power to lead, to inspire, and to create change. Whether it's in your home, your workplace, or your community, your voice matters, your actions matter, and your presence matters. Once again, I am Hannah Zafra, and this has been Women in Charge. See you next time.